How to update the Gmail app on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can update your Gmail app on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to update your Gmail app for the latest features and the latest updates, this is how you do it. First step, you will need to head over to your App Store. So open up your App Store. If you are on your Android, open up your Play Store. After that, simply search for Gmail. Head over to your search section and search for Gmail, and there you should find Gmail right here. Open that up, and after you open it up, if there is an update available, you'll find an update button right here. If there is an update button there, tap on the update button, and after you find the update button and after you tap on it, it should start updating. Now, depending on your internet speed, the update can take different times, so just wait for it to completely update and then you can open it up. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you can update your Gmail app on your iPhone or even Android. And thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.